Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If your Outlook attachment is not showing in your emails and you are wondering how to fix that issue, in this video we are going to guide you through the process. So let's get started. Start by opening up the Outlook. For that, go to Outlook application or outlook.com, and again go to the email where the attachment is located. So for example, let's say this is the email right here in which I'm not able to see the attachment. So in order to fix it, what we can do is from this section right here, look out for the file option in the top and select it. After that, the space opens up, select the option of options here and open it up. And within this space, you can look out for this option of Trust Center. And within Trust Center, go to the Trust Center settings and open it up. And from there, look out for the option of attachment handling. And go ahead and make sure this option right here called turn off attachment preview is unchecked like it is right now. Once it is done, just go ahead and click on OK and close this up. Now once this is done, what we can do is again you can look out for the file option in the top left, and the next step we can do is go to options this time again, and under options this time we're going to go ahead and look out for the option of mail. And this section right here, compose messages in this format. Make sure that this is in HTML format, not others. So select HTML and click on OK and confirm it up. And at last but not least, what we can do is we can go to the email where the attachment is located, and once you find the email, just right click on it and you just need to select this option for find related, and go ahead and select this option for messages in this conversation. And there you will be finding all of the messages in this conversation, including the attachment that you may be looking for that, and you can just go ahead and access it from this box right here, and that is it. So therefore everybody, these are some of the methods you can follow up if you would like to fix the Outlook attachment not showing. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.